Hello my students, we'll answer a final algebra exam. First, we'll start with question 1. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. The set of zeros of the function f, where f of x equal x plus 4 in R is. هنا هنعمل حاجة بسيطة خالص. First هنعمل f of x equal 0, then x plus 4 equal 0, then x equal negative 4, ونعمل choice negative 4. Number 2, if x power 3 y power negative 3 equals 8, then y over x equal x power 3 y power negative 3. Y power negative 3, we must change it to positive power. So y power negative 3 equal 1 over y power 3. Then x power 3 over y power 3. We will take power 3 common. X over y all of power 3 equals 8. 8 we can factorize it to 2 power 3. Here we have power equal power, then base equal base. Therefore, x over y equals 2. The required is y over x. Y over x equal reciprocal to 1 over 2. Another question. The equation of the symmetric axis of the curve of the function f, where f of x equal x squared minus 4 is. Here we put f of x equals 0 and factorize x squared minus 4, two brackets, x minus 2 and x plus 2. Then the curve intersection with x-axis at 2 points, 2 and negative 2. Then the intersection point with y-axis is 0 and 0. Therefore, the symmetric axis of the curve is x equal 0. And the choice is x equal 0. Another question. The solution set of the equation x squared equal 9 in Q is. Here, to solve it, we have two solutions. Number 1, by using the square root, x equal positive or negative the square root of 9. Therefore, x equal positive or negative 3. Therefore, x equal positive or negative 3. Then the solution set is negative 3 or 3. Another solution, we put it 9 in the other side by changing the sign. X squared minus 9 equals 0, and factorize it x minus 3 and x plus 3, and x equal 3 or x equal negative 3, and the choice is negative 3 or 3. Another solution. If A subset from the simple space of a random experiment and B probability of A complementary equal to probability of A, then probability of A equal. We know probability of A plus probability of A complementary equal 1, and substitute about probability of A complementary by 2 probability of A, then probability of A plus probability of A complementary equal 1, then probability of A plus 2 probability of A equal 1. Therefore, 3 probability of A equal 1. Therefore, probability of A equal 1 over 3, and the choice is 1 over 3. The last one. 5 power x plus 2 over 5 power x plus 1 equal. Here we have divided between two equal bases. Then we subtract the power. 5 power x plus 2 minus bracket x plus 1. Subtract the negative by all number in the bracket. 5 power x plus 2 negative multiply x negative x. Negative multiply positive 1 negative 1. X minus x 0. 2 minus 1 equal 1. Then 5 power 1. Then the choice is 5. Question 2. Find the solution set of the two equations x minus y equals 0 and x squared plus xy plus y squared equal 27 in R product R. هنقسم الصفحة بالمنظر ده كده، نكتب x minus y equal 0 دي number 1. x squared plus xy plus y square equal 27 ونقول number 2. From number 1 of the first degree, x equal positive y. We put y in the right side with changing the sign and say number 3. Substitute from 3 in 2. Replace every x in the equation of the second degree by y. Y square plus y multiply y plus y square equal 27. Y square plus y square equal 2y square plus y multiply y power 2 equal 27. 2y square plus y square equal 3y square equal 27. 3 here multiply with y square, put it in the other side and changing the sign, y square here 3 multiply y, in the other side 27 divided 3. Y square equal 27 divided 3 equals 9. Y square, y equal positive or negative square root 9. Y equal positive or negative 3. Then y may be equal 3, y may be equal negative 3. And substitute in 3. When y equal 3, then x equal 3. When y equal negative 3, then x equal negative 3. Then the solution set equal when x equal 3, y equal 3. When x equal negative 3, y equal negative 3. Okay. Another question. Find the common domain for which n1 of x and n2 of x are equal, where n1 of x equal x squared plus x minus 12 over x squared plus 5x plus 4. n2 of x equal x squared minus 2x minus 3 over x squared plus 2x plus 1. To say n1 of x equal n2 of x, we have two conditions. Number one, the simplify of n1 equals the simplify of n2. Number two, the two domains are different. Let's show. n1 of x equal x squared plus x minus 12 over x squared plus 5x plus 4. Number one, factorize the numerator. 2 brackets x 3 or 4, last term negative, the greater factor take the same sign of middle term and the other take opposite sign. X squared plus 5x plus 4, two numbers, the product of them equal 4 and the sum of them equal 5. X and x, 4 and 1. Last term positive, the two brackets take the same sign of middle term. The domain of n1 equal x plus 4 and all r difference negative 4 or positive 1 negative 1. Simplify x plus 4 with x plus 4, n1 of x equal x minus 3 over x plus 1. n2 of x equal x squared minus 2x minus 3 over x squared plus 2x plus 1. Factorize n2 of x. Two numbers, the product of them equal 3 and the difference between them equal 2. X 3 1. Last term negative, then the greater factor take the same sign of middle term negative and the other is positive, over two numbers, the product of them equal 1 and the sum between them equal 2. X and x, 1 1. Last term positive, take the same sign of middle term. Domain of n2 equal or difference positive 1 equal negative 1, positive 1 equal negative 1. Simplify x plus 1 with x plus 1. n2 of x equal x minus 3 over x plus 1. Okay. هنلاقي هنا ان انا عندي n1 of x is simplify equal n2 of x simplify. The difference between the domains. Then therefore n1 of x equal n2 of x on the common domain, and this domain is or difference negative 4 and negative 1. Question 3. By using the general formula, find in R the solution set of the equation 2x squared plus 5x equals 0. The general formula equal x equal negative b, positive or negative, the square root p power 2 minus 4ac over 2a. From the equation, a equal the coefficient of x squared is 2, b equal the coefficient of x is 5, c is not exist, equal 0. And substitute in the general formula, x equal negative 2 positive the square root 2 all of power 2 minus 4 multiply 2 multiply sub 0 over 2 by 2. X equal negative 2 minus the square root 2 all of power 2 minus 4 multiply 2 multiply 0 over 2 by 2. By using the calculator, we can find the result. Negative 2 plus square root 2 power 2 4 minus 8 minus 0 over 2 by 2 equal 4. It is 0. X equals 0. Here negative, x equal negative 1. Then the solution set equal zero and negative 1. Another question. Find n of x in the simplest form, showing the domain where n of x equal x power 3 minus 1 over x squared minus x multiply x plus 3 over x squared plus x plus 1. When we multiply to algebraic fractional function, we must do 3 steps. Number 1, factorize numerator and denominators. Number 2, find the domain. Number 3, simplify. Number 4, the result. Number 1, n of x equal, factorize the numerator, cubic bracket, small bracket and big bracket. The first cubic root للفirst x power 3 is x. Cubic root للفirst لل1 equal 1, the same sign. الفirst power 2. First multiply second x with different sign. Second power 2, it's always positive. X squared minus x, take x is a common factor. X squared divided x equal x, x divided x equal negative 1, multiply x plus 3 over 2 numbers, the product of them equal 1 with sum of them equal 1, does not exist, x squared plus x plus 1. The domain of n equal or difference 0, negative 1 is positive 1. Simplify x minus 1 with x minus 1, x squared plus x plus 1 with x squared plus x plus 1. Then n of x equal x plus 3 over x. It's very easy. Question 4. Find algebraically the solution set of the two equations 2x plus y equal 1, x plus 2y equals 5 in R product R. We have two methods to solve these equations. Number 1, by using omitting method. Number 2, by using substituting method. We'll solve it by substituting method. Write 2x plus y equals 1 and say number 1. X plus 2y equals 5 and say number 2. We must do two variables have the same coefficient and different in sign. So I'll take y, and to do the same I'll multiply the first by -2 and the second by the coefficient of the first equation by 1. -2 multiply 2x, -4x. -2 multiply y, -2y equal -2 by 1, -2. 1 multiply x, x, plus 1 multiply 2y, 2y, 1 multiply 5, 5. Adding -2 plus 2y, 0, -4x plus x, -3x, equal -2 plus 5, +3. -3 multiply x, put -3 in the other side with changing the sign, x equal 3 over -3, so x equal -1. Substitute in the first equation or the second equation. Number 1, 2 multiply -1 plus y equal 1. 2 by -1 equal -2 plus y equals 1. We put -2 in the other side with changing the sign. Y equal 1 plus 2, y equal 3. The solution set equal when x equal -1, y equal 3. Okay. Find n of x in the simplest form, showing the domain where n of x equal x squared minus x over x squared minus 1 plus x plus 5 over x squared plus 6x plus 5. To adding to algebraic fractional function, we must have the common denominator. Before doing the addition, we must factorize numerator and denominator and find the domain. We will do it with us. N of x equal x highest common factor x minus 1 over x squared minus 1 factorizing x 1 1 positive and negative plus x plus 5 over x 2 brackets, two numbers, the product of them equal 5 and the sum equal 6. 1 multiply 5 x, the last term is positive, then the two factors take the same sign of middle term. The domain of n equal or equal positive 1 equal negative 1, negative 1 equal positive 1, positive 1 we will take x plus 5 and negative 5. Simplify negative 1 with negative 1, n of x equal x over x plus 1 plus x plus 5 with x plus 5, 1 over x plus 1. We have common denominator, so we can add two numerators. X plus 1 equal x plus 1 over x plus 1, the result is 1. Question 5. If n of x equal x squared minus 2x over x minus 2 multiply x squared plus 2, find n power negative 1 of x in the simplest form, showing the domain on n power negative 1. If n power negative 1 of x equals 3, then find the value of x. N of x equals x squared minus 2x. Factorize by taking HCF. X multiply x minus 2 over x minus 2 multiply x power 2 plus 2. N power negative 1 of x, reciprocal the fraction, x minus 2 x power 2 plus 2 over x multiply x minus 2. The domain of n power negative 1 of x equal or difference the set of zeros of numerator and denominator. X minus 2, 2. X 0, negative 2, 2. This is domain of n power negative 1. Simplify it. X minus 2 with x minus 2. N power negative 1 of x equals x squared plus 2 over x. This is number 1. If n power negative 1 equals 3, we will substitute about n power negative 1 of x by 3 equals x squared plus 2 over x. Cross multiplications, 3x equal x squared plus 2. Put 3x in the other side with changing the sign. X squared minus 3x plus 2 equals 0. Factorize it to two brackets equals 0. Two numbers, the product of them equal 2 and the sum equal 3. X 2 and 1. Last term positive, then the two factors take the same sign of middle term. X minus 1 equals 0. X minus 2 equals 0. The last question. Probability of A equal 1 over 3. Probability of A union B equals 7 over 12. Find probability of B. Probability of A union B equals probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersect B. He said A and B are two mutually exclusive events. Then probability of A union B equal probability of A plus probability of B, and probability of A intersect B equals 0. Probability of A union B equals 7 over 12 equals probability of A equal 1 over 3 plus probability of B then probability of B equals 7/12, and put 1/3 in the other side with changing the sign, -1/3. Therefore probability of B equal 7/12 minus 1/3 equals 1/4.